Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on April 9, 2018, 21 of hour, 33 of minute, and 54 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can you explode in space? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can you explode in space. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can you explode in space. Whatever you do, don't hold your breath. The vacuum of space will pull the air from your body. So if there's air left in your lungs, they will rupture. Oxygen in the rest of your body will also expand. You'll balloon up to twice your normal size, but you won't explode. Last update, May 17, 2017. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time.
Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.